Hey builders! Welcome back to Bernadette Builds, where we explore how you can scale your brand with the power of AI. Today, we're diving into something special, the human edge in AI scaling. Everyone's talking about AI like it's the magic wand that solves everything. But here's the truth, scaling a business isn't just about algorithms. It's about people, it's about you, and that's where the human edge comes in. AI can automate tasks, forecast trends, and even translate your content across borders. But it can't feel, it can't empathize, it can't tell your story the way you lived it. Here's what I mean. Customer empathy. AI predicts buying patterns, but only you can listen to a frustrated customer and turn them into a loyal fan. Creative storytelling. AI writes captions, but only you can share the late-night hustle that makes your journey relatable. Cultural nuance. AI translates words, but only you can understand that a joke in Lagos might not land the same way in London. Trust building. AI recommends products, but only you can look someone in the eye, or in the camera, and make them believe in your vision. Think about it. When you share your struggles, your late-night wins, your behind-the-scenes moments, that's what people remember. AI can help you package it, but only you can make it real. Scaling globally isn't about being everywhere. It's about being impactful everywhere. And impact comes from authenticity. So yes, AI is powerful. But the most powerful edge isn't the algorithm. It's you, your story, your humanity. And when you let AI amplify that, you don't just scale a business, you scale a movement.